Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something many of us experience, but really discuss clearly the gap between thinking and expressing. Sometimes our minds are full of ideas, emotions, observations, and reflections. We feel deeply, we think constantly, but when it comes to putting those thoughts into words, whether through writing or speaking, it suddenly feels difficult. And you know why? The reason is that I think that happens because thoughts are naturally unstructured. So the reason is that the thoughts are naturally unstructured, they arrive emotionally, randomly, and all at once. But expression requires clarity, direction, and understanding. Over time, I've realized that communication is not just about having thoughts, it's about learning how to organize them meaningfully. Whether it's writing, speaking, storytelling, or simply expressing yourself honestly, there's a process behind it. And in today's video, I want to explore that process with you. We'll talk about how raw thoughts become organized ideas, the difference between choosing impressive words and honest words, clarity versus complexity, and how my own journey from thinking to writing helped me understand expression differently. Because sometimes the most powerful communication is not the loudest one, it's the one that feels clear, intentional, and real. So, the most powerful communication is not the loudest one, right? So, if you want to share any comment, you can drop your comment also. So, have you ever felt like you have so many thoughts in your mind, but when you try to explain them, they suddenly become unclear? Or maybe you know what you feel emotionally, but putting it into words feel difficult. I've experienced that, believe me, many times. And over time, I realized something important. Expression is not just emotion, it's structure. And that's what today's videos are all about. How we turn thoughts into writing and speaking. My section 1 is about why thoughts feel messy. I think one of the biggest reasons thoughts feel difficult to express is because thoughts don't arrive in order. They come emotionally, randomly, all at once. They never arrive in order. You never ask the thoughts to arrive in order. They always arrive in unstructured way. And sometimes your mind is remembering, feeling, questioning, or imagining all at the same time. But you know what? There is a gap between those unstructured thoughts. And when that happens, you may feel like, I know what I mean, but I don't know how to say it. And then, what do you mean by not saying it? So, what exactly you mean by saying it is have to be understood by you. So, let me ask you, have you ever written something and then deleted because it didn't sound the way you wanted? Have you ever done that? Because that usually happens because the thought is still raw. Have you ever done that, deleting the raw thought? Because raw thoughts are natural, but expression needs organization. So, how are you going to organize your raw thoughts? There's a second part. So, how do we structure thoughts? The first thing I learned is don't try to sound perfect immediately. Nothing happens perfect overnight. Start by letting your thoughts exist freely. Okay, right? So, write your words, emotions, random ideas without editing yourself too much. Try to give some space to yourself. Then slowly ask, what is the main idea here? For example, maybe your thought is, I feel overwhelmed. Now break it down. Why do I overwhelmed? Why do I feel overwhelmed? What triggered it? What do I want to express about it? What is the reason behind this overexcitement, and what triggered it? And suddenly, one emotional thought becomes organized expression. And that I usually follow a simple process. That mainly or really they don't discuss it. Like, think freely, write freely, identify the core idea, and then arrange points clearly. Then only you can understand what exactly you want to say and what exactly you want to speak, and how your unorganized thoughts can get a structure. And honestly, this changed how I write and speak dramatically, not in overnight. Section 3 is choosing words versus clarity. Sometimes people choose words just to sound impressive, but expression is not always about complexity. So you're supposed to choose words mindfully. So there's a difference between words that sound intelligent and words that genuinely feel honest. For example, instead of using very complicated language, sometimes a simple sentence like I feel uncertain right now can feel much more powerful rather than saying I knew it, I said it, I know it. Because people connect with honesty and not just vocabulary. We know that you can speak, we know that you know English, we know that you know Hindi. And as an author, I've realized words carry emotion, and when your words genuinely match your feelings, people naturally connect with them. Now moving on to my section 4, that is clarity versus complexity. So I think many of us confuse complexity with depth, but clarity is actually harder. It's easy to sound complicated. What's difficult is explaining clearly, expressing simply, making people understand you naturally. So what's difficult? Difficult is the part when you can't explain clearly. So let me ask you, when you listen to someone speak, what stays with you more? Complicated words or clear thoughts? Drop your comments and share your thoughts. If I'm speaking so many words, what is staying with you? For me, clarity always feels stronger because when thoughts are clear, expression becomes effortless. But what stays with you? Complicated words or simple words? So my section 5 is my journey from thinking to writing. Personally, this journey has been gradual. There were many moments when my thoughts felt scattered. I overthought my words. I struggled to express clearly, and I knew it that I wanted to speak. I wanted to spread ideas and awareness, and honestly, sometimes I still do. But writing helped me slow down. It helped me observe my thoughts, organize emotions, understand what I truly wanted to say. And that's how my writing improved, my speaking improved. And then slowly that writing started influencing my speaking too. So I couldn't understand within few minutes my writing started influencing the speaking. I became more aware of pauses, tone, clarity, intention. And I realized expression is not about sounding perfect. It's about sounding aligned with yourself, and that's what I wanted to say in front of the camera. That I started aligning myself with the exact words that I wanted to say. So today I just want to leave you with this thought that every clear expression once started as an unclear thought. You don't need to rush the process. Take time to think, organize, understand yourself. Because when your thoughts become clear, your writing becomes meaningful and your voice becomes authentic. So whatever the thoughts that are coming into your mind, do not rush to the process. Take your time to think wisely, speak. And maybe that's what truly expression really is. So think before speaking twice. And the closing part of my YouTube video is that expression becomes only possible if you will stop fighting with each other and start expressing clearly.